My name is David Bowen. This is my installation titled Tele-Present Wind. What we did was worked with NASA JPL scientists to get wind data from the Perseverance Mars rover. And we're taking that wind data and then mapping it to the field of grass here in the gallery space. So this field is moving based on data from the wind on Mars.
My role with Tele-Present Wind was to help with the data pipeline. That's really how we took the data from Mars and transformed it, made it available for David Bowen's art piece. We had the artistic side, and David Bowen really helped with making the exhibit a reality through his Tele-Present Wind, but then we wanted to infuse it with real science data from the surface of Mars.
Working with JPL and the scientists there was a way to really elevate my studio practice, literally off planet. That was a very exciting opportunity. Really what I learned was what the wind would physically look like on Mars if there was a field of grass. That idea of blending worlds, the idea of creating a new hybrid that's taken from multiple planets.
What we want people to do is to kind of self-discover some of the connections that are being shown here for themselves. The way scientists work is sometimes artistic. The way artists works is sometimes scientific. So I think they're really just two sides of the same coin.